Unlock the secrets of logical reasoning. Logical reasoning can feel like a tough nut to crack, but with a few quick tricks, you can solve these questions faster and smarter. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the question clearly. Read the question carefully. Logical reasoning often tests how well you understand the given information. Highlight keywords and phrases. For example, all cats are animals. Some animals are birds. Are some cats birds? In this example, focus on the relationship between cats, animals, and birds. Clarity is key.
Step 2. Use visuals like Venn diagrams. Use visuals. Drawing simple diagrams like Venn diagrams can make complex relationships easy to see. They're especially helpful for syllogisms and group problems. Here, you can clearly see the relationships. No overlap means no direct connection.
Step 3. Eliminate wrong answers first. Eliminate. Logical reasoning questions usually have multiple choice answers. Start by ruling out the most obviously wrong ones to narrow your focus. This saves time and reduces confusion.
Step 4. Look for patterns. Step 4. Spot the pattern. Many logical questions rely on sequences, similarities, or opposites. Practice identifying patterns quickly. In this sequence, the pattern is multiplication by 2. The next number is 32. Step 5. Stay calm under pressure. Finally, stay calm. Logical reasoning tests your mental focus as much as your problem-solving ability. Take a deep breath and tackle one step at a time. Master logical reasoning with these tricks. With these quick tricks, understanding the question, using visuals, eliminating answers, spotting patterns, and staying calm, you'll be solving logical reasoning questions like a pro. Did you find this helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more tips to ace your CSS exam.